Hello guys, here are the names of new subscribers whose names are present in the subscribers list.
Hello guys, welcome back to another chess video. This is Amit here, and today I'll be explaining how Kasparov attacked on both the flanks of the board, and he made the computer lose the game by opening with d4. Actually, he played the deep Blue Fritz chess in the year 1996, and he won with it with white pieces. The game goes like this: uh, white Garry Kasparov plays knight f3, d5, d4, which is a normal queen's gambit opening, c4, e6, and vd2, and f6, c6, e3, c5, making the space for the other knight to be opened. Garry Kasparov plays b3, black plays knight c6, bishop b2, takes, bishop e7. You can actually, from this game, you can see how Kasparov attacks on both the wings of the board, and he corners the black bishop, making his activity limited to two pieces, trapping both the bishop and the rook, where Deep Blue Fritz has to sacrifice a piece in order to activate one of the pieces. You can see that in the as the game progresses. You can see how Garry Kasparov attacks the black pieces. Double O, bishop d3, bishop d7, double O, knight h4. Black Deep Blue Fritz tries to occupy the f4 square, as the white the white bishop on c1 is on b2, so he tries to activate it, but white ignores the attack and plays rook e1, and black plays knight f4, and white plays bishop b1. Black plays g3, white plays g3, and then black plays knight g6. The bringing out the black knight did not prove anything for Fritz, and he wasted a few moves, which proves costly, as we can see in the game. Knight e4, white plays knight e4, black plays rook c8, takes, knight f3, bishop b4, attacking the white rook. White rook goes to e3. Now you can see how Garry Kasparov gets a tempo with a3, h4, the knight goes back. The knight has made a lot of moves, as you can see in this position. He has jumped from knight f6 to h4 to f5 to g6 to e7. Everywhere it is hopping, but white is playing quite well in this position. White plays a3, bishop a4, b4, bishop b7. Now he pushes the pawn, and black is quite inactive in this position, except for the knight on c6. Rest of the pieces are quite inactive, so white tries to spoil the position of black, and he plays queen to d3, and black plays g6, as h7 pawn is attacked by queen and the bishop. So black plays knight f4, f5, black plays h5, then white pushes the knight back. Only the knights on the black board are quite active. Rest of the pieces are even the queen and the rooks are not doing much. So played king g7, h4. You can see that pawns are rolling down the board freely. Now in this position you can see that the black bishop has a square on d8 or b8. He had to play the black bishop to d8 in order to activate his minor pieces and the rook, but he played bishop to b8. Now you can see that the black bishop is trapped. He cannot go here, here unless white gives the knight for the exchange, which he will not do it. You can see that the black bishop cannot move anywhere, so all the squares are blocked. So white plays rook c1. Just a second. White plays bishop c2. Black plays knight c6, hoping for the e5 break, but white pins the knight and tries to exchange of the piece. Now black gives the knight for the bishop. Now you can see that in this position all these squares are blocked. The c7 square is blocked for the bishop, d6 square is blocked, all the squares are blocked. So since all the squares are blocked, black takes queen into a4, knight to d4, attacking the knight, exchanges. White gives exchange for as now if the queens are exchanged, the c6 break comes and he will be able to easily queen the pawn, or either gain a piece or queen the pawn. So black plays rook e8. White plays bishop g5 in order to block the f6 pawn push. So he blocks it and he played bishop f6. White anyway pushes the pawn and pawn takes pawn. White tries to exchange of the queen. In this position, Blue Fritz resigned the game as his pieces are cornered, and now he has to give one of the pieces. If the black bishop is not given, then even the rook on the board will be trapped. Anyway, the black bishop is also trapped now. So Blue Fritz at this point resigned the game. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.